Hi, my name is Sage and you're watching my cooking video. In this video, we are gonna make some coffee. All right, let's make some coffee. All right, so we're gonna go to our coffee machine. I got the Mr. Coffee over here. All right, so I'm just gonna zoom over here. All right, so first thing, I got the water on max. I got it on 12. All right. And then got our coffee bean over here. Got some U-Ban medium roast coffee. Anything works. It's just this is what I got for now. All right, so got some measuring cups over here. This is what I use to scoop some coffee beans. To scoop some coffee beans in my coffee filter, in the container. Before I scoop some coffee, I'm gonna dry the cup that I'm gonna use. All right, so for the measuring cup, I got the medium one. So, I got the half a cup over here. This is 1 cup. I'm gonna use the half a cup. All right. So, just gonna scoop like so, and then move the cup side to side so I got it nice and flat. And then I put it in the coffee filter, and that's the recipe for my coffee. Sometimes I do 1 cup in the filter, but today I use half a cup. It's just as strong as 1 cup of coffee bean. I can't tell the difference. And then just gonna make some coffee. So while the machine makes some coffee, I'm just gonna clean the cup. Just rinsed it, no need for soap and stuff like that. Then put everything back. All right, so you don't really have to use a measuring cup to put some, to scoop some coffee. I just started using that because I have it, but if anything, before I started using that, I just go for 4 scoops of tablespoon, or I just put coffee beans until half of the coffee filter is filled, and then I just brew from there. All right, for this part of the video, I'm gonna close it and I'll see you when the coffee is done. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so the coffee is ready, as you can see over here. And now we're gonna make our coffee. So I'm just gonna move Mr. Coffee over here, and then we're gonna have our cup. We got the Minnie Mouse cup. All right, so what I do for when I pour the coffee, kind of look at how it pours. And sometimes when I pour it, I can tell that if I put too much coffee beans on the filter because it's too thick. But when I poured this one, since we have it on the 1/2 cup in the filter, it's just right for me. If you have those days that you really need a lot of coffee, then go for 1 cup. But today, it's gonna have it on 1/2. All right, so got the coffee over there. I think I should go with the sugar first. All right, so I got a teaspoon over here. I like, light brown sugar, but every sugar works. But for now, I got the brown sugar over here. So I just, I don't really measure how much I put in the cup. I just eye it. So I'm just gonna put 2 teaspoons of sugar. A little, when I scoop the teaspoon, there's a lot of sugar in it. It's actually like that. So it's a lot. So it's actually, if you think about it, it's 2 tablespoons of sugar. I like my coffee a lot. I like my coffee sugary. So I put a lot of sugar for the first cup. And then after that, the second cup that I'm gonna drink for the day is gonna be, just creamer, no sugar after that. And sometimes I put water on the coffee too. So for the creamer, I like Coffee Mate. I got the large container. So I put 3 scoops of, let's put 4. I think 4 is good. I think 3, it's gonna make the coffee dark. It's still gonna be dark, and if anything, when you drink the coffee, it's gonna taste like there's no creamer in it. But 4, I think 4 is good. And let's close the lid. That's our coffee right there. Let me just do a little taste test. All right, so right now, I think it needs, I think it's all right. I was expecting a sugary, but if anything, 2 scoops of sugar like that, it still tastes like water. So you can have the coffee that we made today. There's a hint of sugar in it. It's not sugary at all. Even if I did a little, 2 teaspoons of sugar, that's a little bit more than what the teaspoon can scoop. And then 4 scoops of creamer. The creamer is good. But we're gonna do the we're gonna adjust the recipe some other video, but in this video, this coffee that we made right now, actually let me just stir it again. Maybe the mixture is not well mixed in the coffee. All right, let's try it again. Nope, it still tastes the same. All right, so that's the coffee video that you just watched. All right, so I'm gonna close the video now. All right, my name is Sage, and I'll see you later. All right, bye.